Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this iPhone. First of all, go into App Store and install your new default app. I will go with Google Chrome browser. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings and find your app over here. I will go into Settings again just to be sure. And mine is over here. When you find it, click on it and click on Default Browser App. Now click on an app that you wish to set up, in my case Chrome, and select the back button at the top left corner. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!